Okay, here's question number 19. All right, solve, and they want us to solve these equations. So these are all about solving equations. Solving means to work out, and these questions have given you extra hints over here. You've got B is equal to, E is equal to, M is equal to. Basically, we want to work it out. We want to work out what each of these are. So here I've got B take away 7 is equal to 12. Some number take away 7 is equal to 12. I do this by doing the opposite. What's the opposite of taking away 7? Add 7. Yep, 12 add 7 is 19. And now do check your answer. What's 19 take away 7? Well, 19 take away 7. And you know what? This is your calculator paper. If you even just want to check it with your calculator, because you can't afford to get this wrong, 19 take away 7 is 12. So I've got definitely got 1 mark there. This here means 5 times E. 5 times E. What's the opposite of 5 times E? Divide by 5, right? The opposite of timesing by 5 is dividing by 5. 40 divided by 5, I know that that is 8. Yep, I definitely know that that is 8. I've done 40 divided by 5, and that is 8. I could check my answer, so I'm doing the original equation, and the original equation is 5 times E, and if I'm saying that E is 8, 5 times 8 equals 40, and yep, that shows it all correct there as well. Alright, then the last one, 4m plus 6 is equal to 15. So in this case here, I need to get rid of the 6 first, or the plus 6 first, and then get rid of the 4m. So to undo add 6, the opposite of add 6 is take away 6. 15 take away 6 is 9. 15 take away 6 is 9, so that means that 4m is equal to 9. Now, just like I had up here, what do I need to do to get rid of the 5? Divide by 5. So 9 divided by, in this case, 4. 9 divided by 4. If you're not sure about that, go to your calculator. It's a calculator paper. You should be able to do this, but 9 divided by 4 is equal to 2.25. Now don't get worried because it's a decimal answer. Don't be worried about that, because right, it's the calculator paper, and sometimes you expect answers like this, but we're going to check it to see if it works. We got 4m plus 6 is equal to 15. That means 4 times whatever m is, then you add 6, and the answer should equal 15. But let's do that. 4 times, we think m is 2.25, equals, and then I'm going to add 6 to that, equals, it gives me 15. Is that what I wanted? Yep. So I'm pretty confident that m is 2.25. Always make sure you do a check for your answers. Put it back into the equation, check your answers, and then you're guaranteed you know it's correct. These are really popular questions. You're definitely going to get some algebra to solve equations. Make sure you understand them.